Today is June 31st. I was out here, we just weed-whacked the walkway. I trimmed the tomatoes and tied them up and did a little bit of weeding and picked a few cabbages and the kale. The garlic is not ready to be picked. It's too small. I dug out a couple of them. It's still not ready to go. See you in a couple of weeks. Today is July 15th. It's been 2 weeks since I've been here. Today what I'm gonna do is mainly work on the garden. First I'm gonna be picking the tomatoes. They're pretty nice, but there's not a whole lot of ripe ones. But I'm gonna probably have to tie them up a little bit and prune some of it. The other thing I'm gonna do is pick the beans. They look pretty good. And this doesn't seem to have a disease like the one I have at home. So they're nice. The other thing I'm gonna do is pick kale for my juicing. Let's see what else we're gonna pick today. The garlic. I think I'm gonna pick the garlic today. They're ready to go. I probably will pick some of the basil as well, just cut them down. And looks like the broccoli pretty much bolted. I don't know. Never have good success with broccoli. So here are the onions. They're not very big at all. I think what I'm gonna do, although they're laying down pretty much, I might water them today and wait a couple more weeks before I take them out. Red onions, lots of weeds, can't even see them. They are really tiny. Same thing here, I'm just gonna water them and wait for a little bit more. Here are the peaches. Definitely need to water this tree as well. Looks pretty sad with the mash over it, but I think they're gonna grow full size. Let's see what else we got here. The peppers. They're growing okay. The leaves are a little yellow, so I'm gonna feed them a little bit and definitely water. Butternut squash. We do have flowers on them. They're really not big at all. I would have expected them to run off by now. Again, they need a little feed and watering. Zucchini is struggling as well. Need to feed them. It hasn't rained for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. There is a cabbage that's looking really good. I don't think it's ready quite yet. Everything is bolted. These things are bolted. The only thing that's going really well is the kale, even without any rain. Here are some more cabbages that are looking promising. Again, I'm just gonna feed and water, and then the kale on this bed is looking pretty good too. So that's it. I'm gonna try to weed a little bit as well. We'll see how much energy I have left after I did my harvesting. After I finished watering the garden, then the rain started to fall, and it's been raining for probably about 20 minutes, which is great. It's been a long time, but I got stuck in between harvesting the potatoes, the purple and the yellow. So this is what I got. I got all the purples out, but then I couldn't finish the yellow one. Here are the garlics, all the garlic that I harvested. They're not huge, and I had it bigger before, and they're not big at all, but it's good. It's usable. I'm just gonna chill, watch some TV, and then we go from there. See you later.